जय हिंद एवरीवन। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, कंस और चाणूर का वध करने वाले देवकी के आनंदवर्धन वसुदेव नंदन जगत गुरु श्री कृष्णचंद्र की मैं वंदना करता हूँ।
Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Students, in writing sections today I am taking the storytelling. Before starting telling, I want to clear some things when we are telling the story. First we have to do command our voice, okay? And we have to tell the story with correct pronunciation. Okay, students, you know, storytelling is an effective tool for learning. According to recent research, storytelling for kids creativity develop in their mind. Okay, so students, when you are telling the story, you have to keep some things in your mind. When you are telling the story, you have to catch the eye of audience. You know, when we are going to tell the story, so our gesture should be cleared, okay? And it like, you know, you are coming on the stage and you are just telling the story, blah blah blah, and you just go away. No, students, we have to do our gesture best. We have to command our voice and we have to catch the eyes, okay? You know, when we are telling the stories, our intonation should be going to proper, okay? kabhi utar kabhi chadav. So students, today I want to tell a story, and it's a very common story. I know this is a thirsty crow, and you heard lot of times from lower KG. You are listening, you are telling this story, but the way of story to tell is different. If we are saying the common stories, but our gesture should be cleared and it's so awesome, then we can catch the eye by telling our old stories. Okay, students, the thirsty crow is a fable. You know what is the meaning of fable? The fable, their characters are animals. So the thirsty crow, and you know the thirsty crow मतलब प्यासा कौआ. So this story is very common story, I know, but this time I will take very common story, because you know कि in pandemic we have take some easy task, then we will go easy to difficult task. Okay, so first I will take the easy story. So today our story topic is thirsty crow. And thirsty crow, you know कि the crow thirsty. So how you will say just see the pictures. You know, sometimes we see the pictures and we create our story. So I say this story is there only कि here we will make from here only. Once a day, a crow was very thirsty. Once a day, a crow was very thirsty. Then what happened? When he was thirsty, he looked for water here and there. He looked for water here and there. Oh my God! He was flying and looking for the water. At last, he saw a pot of water. At last, he saw a pot of water. And now what happened? Crow came near the pot. Okay. And as he wanted to drink water, he saw, my goodness, there was very less water. So now Crow was very disappointed. Oh, what to do, what to do, he was thinking. Then he looked there, so many pebbles, so many stones are there. But the crow was very intelligent. You know, crow was very intelligent. So he just thought a plan. He thought of a plan. And what plan he thought? Oh my goodness, it was a very nice plan. He went near the stones. He collected the stones, and what he done, he collected one stones and he just put into the pot. Then he went there and brought another stones and put in the pot. And same, he just put the stone one by one in the pot. And students, what happened afterwards? Yes, when he was putting the stones and less water came up, जब पानी अंदर गया तो what happened? The water came up, or you can say water rose up. Now क्या हुआ? Yes, the crow drank the water and quenched his thirst. The crow drank the water and quenched his thirst. Now he was very satisfied, and he went to fly in the sky. And now he was feeling very, very happy. Now, because students, by his cleverness, he solved the problem. If there is a problem, there is a solution definitely. If problems rise in your life, definitely there is a solution of your problem. So students, today I just told you one moral. You have to find out lots of moral for this story. Okay? You just find out by yourself what moral can we give to this story. I know topic I told, the thirsty crow, it's a very common story, I know, but moral, it's your duty to find out innovative, your creative moral from your mind. Okay, you just light up your mind and think about the moral. Thank you. Bye bye.